Hey everyone, welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, your go-to place for real, honest reviews of the most impressive machines on the road. Today, we're checking out something massive, powerful, and built for those who want to take luxury living on the road. The 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome. This isn't just a truck, it's a high-end home on wheels. Right off the bat, the W900 keeps that iconic American long-nose look. It's bold, aggressive, and packed with chrome. The massive grille, twin vertical exhaust stacks, and signature headlights make sure this motorhome turns heads wherever it goes. But it's what's attached behind that classic cab that really takes it to the next level. A full-sized luxury motorhome stretching over 40 feet. Under the hood, the 2025 W900 packs serious power. It's equipped with a 14.9-liter Cummins X15 engine that delivers up to 605 horsepower and 2,050 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with an Eaton 18-speed automated transmission. So whether you're climbing steep hills or cruising down the interstate, this beast handles it all effortlessly. Thanks to an advanced air suspension system, the ride stays smooth and surprisingly quiet for a truck this size. Now let's talk about the interior. Step inside, and you're greeted with a space that feels more like a luxury suite than an RV. Real hardwood floors, granite countertops, leather seating. It's all here. The slide-out sections expand your living area when you're parked, making it feel incredibly spacious. You get a full kitchen with a large refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave, and even a dishwasher. In the back, there's a private bedroom with a queen-size bed, a smart TV, and tons of storage space. The bathroom is fully equipped too. A ceramic toilet, a full shower with skylight, and even a washer-dryer combo. Everything is designed for comfort during long hauls or full-time living. Tech-wise, the W900 is loaded. It comes with a smart control system that lets you manage lighting, climate, water, and security from a touchscreen or even your smartphone. Solar panels and lithium battery packs support off-grid adventures, and the onboard generator is super quiet. Entertainment? You've got multiple TVs, a surround sound system, Wi-Fi hotspot capability, and satellite connection. Everything you need to stay connected and entertained wherever you are. Now, let's talk numbers. A fully loaded 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome can cost anywhere between $550,000 and $750,000, depending on customizations. That's a serious price tag, but for those who want unmatched power, presence, and comfort on the road, it might just be worth every penny. So, is it for you? If you're a full-time traveler, a luxury RV enthusiast, or someone who simply wants to hit the road in style, the 2025 W900 is definitely worth a look. Thanks for tuning in to Honest Auto Wheels. If you liked this review, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming episodes. And let me know in the comments, would you take this beast across the country? Or maybe even live in it full-time? Catch you in the next ride.